Every WooCommerce store admin has probably wondered, how do I search products by SKU in WooCommerce? Surprisingly, WooCommerce does not include SKUs in its front-end product search by default. When a customer types an SKU into the search bar, they'll usually get 0 results even if the product exists. And there are lots of reasons you might want to search by SKU, like faster product lookup for returning customers and internal staff, support for exact product specification since SKUs are unique, better experience for wholesale or B2B customers who often search by SKU, and even improved efficiency for larger catalogs where product names might be similar. So with all that said, the question remains, how do I search products by SKU in WooCommerce? Well, let me show you. The first and most difficult way is by using custom code. WordPress includes a filter called pre-get posts that will allow you to modify the search query before results are returned, giving you an opportunity to search products by SKU in WooCommerce. Drop the code into your code snippets plugin or functions.php file, then perform an SKU search and you'll see some results. This works, but it does require some development knowledge and leaves you responsible for maintaining the functionality and compatibility when WooCommerce gets an update. If you're not interested in hand coding a solution, a plugin may be the best way to search products by SKU for your WooCommerce store. A few features you should look for in a search plugin if your goal is to search products by SKU include the ability to explicitly enable SKU-based searching, an option to prioritize SKU matches over titles or descriptions, support for exact or partial SKU matches, and the ability to customize relevance and ranking without custom code. The best plugin for searching products by SKU in WooCommerce is Elevated Product Search for WooCommerce. It makes searching by SKU easy, allowing you to include SKUs simply by enabling the SKU option in its advanced product search settings. Once the Search by SKUs option is enabled, searching by product SKU is as simple as typing in an SKU and getting the result in the search preview. For most store owners, a search plugin that supports WooCommerce SKU product search is the simplest and most practical solution. But if you're a capable developer, you can try the custom code approach as well. Just be aware that custom code comes with a long tail burden of supporting the code and maintaining compatibility with WooCommerce. If you use a plugin like Elevated Product Search for WooCommerce, it'll take care of all that for you. So if you're asking yourself, how do I search products by SKU in WooCommerce? I hope you now know exactly how to proceed.